Today we're going to be repairing a leaky faucet, a Pfister model. The first thing we're going to do is shut off our water supply. Once your water supply is shut off, you can go to the rear of the faucet and there is an Allen screw. Unscrew that screw. You don't have to take it off all the way, and then you can remove the handle itself. With the handle removed, you pull this off. This actually has the model number of your faucet that you can use for a parts diagram. My particular part was the cold water valve, and the part number was 9100320. Now that may be different for your faucet model. So once you have that removed and the water supply is off, go ahead and remove your nut on the valve, and then it just pull it straight up and it pops out. To replace it, you will simply take your new valve and you press it down and you will feel it seat and kind of lock in whenever you press it down. So that's seated in there. Go ahead and place your nut back on the faucet and lightly tighten it down. You don't need to tighten it down very tight because it is just a rubber washer that seals it, and you don't want to damage that washer. Replace your handle. Go ahead and make sure it's in the off position and line up your handle accordingly like it would be in the off position. Press it down on there, and then you may go to the back and tighten that Allen screw. I would make sure that my handle operates appropriately, and then you can go ahead and turn your water supply back on. And hopefully everything should work appropriately. Turn it back off. No leaks, so problem solved.